You can have the deposit, the income, but without a good credit score or history, buying that property becomes a lot more challenging. Let me show you how to fix that fast. Before we proceed, quick disclaimer. This is not professional financial advice. This is only for educational purposes. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decision. Now, let's get back to the video. Let me say this straight. Building UK credit fast doesn't mean you doing something dodgy. Neither does it mean quick hacks, and definitely doesn't mean taking on debts that you cannot control. It simply means doing the right things in the right order. Because in the UK, credit isn't about how much you earn, it is about how reliable and predictable you look on paper. So step 1, get on the electoral register. I know it sounds boring, but it's one of the quickest wins you can get. Lenders use it to verify who you are and where you live. Being registered alone already boosts your trustworthiness without spending a penny. Step 2, use a credit card the smart way. Do not avoid credit, instead use it responsibly. Start with a basic card or a credit builder card. Buy things you always need, say fuel, groceries, subscriptions, then pay it off in full every month. Remember, you are not borrowing to survive, you are borrowing to build trust. Step 3, keep your usage low. Just because you have about £1,000 limit doesn't mean you should use it all. Try to keep the usage below 30%. This shows lender you are in control of your credit and you are not desperate for it. Step 4, never miss a payment. One missed payment can undo months of good behavior. So set up a direct debit to at least, on the barest minimum, cover your minimum payment. But ideally, ensure to always pay your balance in full and be consistent at it. Quick pause, hit subscribe and join a community of property investors that are getting insider knowledge that most people pay thousands for. The next video might just be the breakthrough that you need. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe now. Step 5, build this trade the right way and don't chase products. Closing accounts too quickly or hopping between cards can hurt your credit score. Keep your account open if you manage them well. Age of credit also matters in the UK. Stability is your friend. Step 6, check your credit spot regularly. Check Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. Make sure your addresses, accounts, and balances are correct. Fixing a little error can boost your score faster than opening a new credit. Step 7, be careful with applications. Every ad search leaves a mark. So space your applications and use eligibility checker where applicable. Applying for everything at once always looks desperate to a lender. The truth is, there's no overnight miracle, but if you stick to some of these steps, between 3 to 6 months of consistency and responsible behavior, you will start to see a visible difference. And within 12 months, you will start to notice a strong credit profile. So, in conclusion, good credit is not about looking rich, it's about looking reliable. And once your credit is solid, doors open, better mortgage rates, more financial options, and less stress. If you're building credit for property investing or for just peace of mind, then start simple and stay consistent. I hope this video helped. Ensure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.